Does bankruptcy cover debts, such as student loans, child support, and alimony? If you are struggling with debt and wondering if bankruptcy can help you with student loans, child support, or alimony, let us break it down. First, let us talk about student loans. Bankruptcy does not automatically our student loans. To get your student loans discharged, you need to take an extra step called an adversary proceeding. This is essentially a lawsuit within your bankruptcy case where you have to prove that repaying the loans would cause you an undue hardship. This means showing that you have made good faith efforts to repay the loans, and that paying them would prevent you from meeting your basic needs or would keep you in a cycle of poverty. For example, if you are earning a low income and cannot afford to pay your loans and meet your basic needs, or if you have a medical condition that prevents you from working, you might be able to get your student loans discharged. However, this is not a guaranteed outcome, and the process can be complex and time-consuming. Now, let us look at child support and alimony. These are considered high-priority debts and are not dischargeable in bankruptcy. Whether you file for Chapter 7 or Chapter 13 bankruptcy, you will still have to pay your child support and alimony. These debts are treated differently because they are seen as essential obligations that must be fulfilled. In Chapter 7 bankruptcy, any assets that are liquidated will first go towards paying off these high-priority debts before other unsecured debts are addressed. In Chapter 13 bankruptcy, your child support and alimony payments will be included in your monthly repayment plan, and you must stay current on these payments to receive a DSR at the end of your plan. The automatic stay, which is a temporary halt on most collection actions when you file for bankruptcy, does not apply to child support and alimony. This means that even after you file for bankruptcy, you can still be contacted about missed child support or alimony payments, and legal actions to establish or modify these payments can continue. In summary, bankruptcy can be a complex process, especially when it comes to student loans, child support, and alimony. While it is possible to disbar student loans through an adversary proceeding by proving undue hardship, child support and alimony are non-dischargeable and must be paid regardless of your bankruptcy status. Always consider the pros and cons and explore other alternatives for managing your debt before making a decision.